Are you looking for the best legal app for Forex trading with real-time data? Let me show you how to start trading smarter over here. I'm going to give you 5 solutions, 5 platforms. This video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So listen, Forex trading can be exciting, but having access to the right real-time data is crucial for making the right decisions. All right? Many apps can help you trade on the go, but finding one with live updates and low fees can be challenging. So luckily, there are apps out there designed for traders like you. So here are 5 top legal apps for Forex trading with real-time data. You got MetaTrader 4, which offers powerful tools for technical analysis and real-time Forex data. You got MetaTrader 5, which is an upgraded version with even more features for advanced traders. You got Thinkorswim, okay, known for its live data and intuitive trading tools perfect for Forex traders. And you got TradingView. TradingView offers real-time charts and data helping you to track the Forex market closely. And you got eToro, a special trading app that offers live data and connects you with other traders around the world. All right, I'll put it in the description, all these 5. These apps are going to help you to stay on top of the Forex market and trade with confidence. Start using one today, see how it goes. Leave me a like if you got anything from this video. I love you.